Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Super Ducks here. For today's video, magre-reaction po tayo ng mga nakakatakot. Top 5 Japanese scary videos. Japanese scary urban. Sige guys, ito yung unang araw ng pagbablog ko. Okay.
The mysterious smell and the dark figure.
Hindi ko na
Residents of a quiet neighborhood began to notice an odd, pungent smell wafting through the air with no clear origin. As days passed, the strange odor persisted, accompanied by reports of unsettling noises and shadows appearing late at night.
Sabi niya may nakita daw siyang kakaibang nilalang sa sa kanal. Tignan mo na ako. Wala masyadong mga tao sa Japan kasi parang ghost town eh. Ayun, parang may maingay. Ayun, maingay? Parang ambulansya. Ambulansya sa Imbornal. Uy, bawal mong papatok dito na. Happy New Year. Walang katao-tao man. Sinasabi ng Japanese.
Intrigued, an investigator visited the neighborhood, following vague directions from the local who had seen the figure before. With each step, the investigator felt a deeper sense of unease as the smell grew stronger, thick and sour in the air.
Meron daw mabaho, kumbaga yung parang nangangalimasaw ba yung tawag yan? Parang mabaho, malingasaw dyan sa may kahit walang patay na hayop. Parang may alingasaw yun. Mamaya magpapakita yan sigurado. Halimaw sa banga.
Suddenly, his camera picked up something unusual, a shadowy figure, almost transparent, hovering near the corner of a dark alley.
Parang may kausap siya. Ayun, halimaw. Ayan ang halimaw. Ayan nakita niya. Ito, yan. Di ba? Tingnan mo. Ito nakita mo. Tingnan mo naman, creepy. Ganun ka-brutal yung mga aswang dyan sa multo sa. Parang tanga, puta. Hindi niya napansin.
The figure seemed to stare directly at him, an intense gaze piercing through the lens, before slowly vanishing into the darkness. Confused and terrified, he could only stare at the screen, realizing that the smell and shadows might be connected to something more sinister.
Nangangamoy daw pala.
To this day, the neighborhood remains.
Ba yan, di man nagpa-facial to mukha nito. Tingnan mo.
The neighborhood
haggard
remains haunted by the mystery
haggard.
of the scent and the figure that seems to guard its secret. Watch the footage to experience the lingering presence of this dark spirit. The haunted tunnel of the two comedians.
Number 2 na tayo, guys.
Two comedians set out for a night adventure,
Ito yung mga
aiming to
komedya.
test their courage in an infamous haunted tunnel.
Dati comedian sila, ngayon mananakot naman sila, magiging ghost hunter sila. Yan, parang
Rumors surrounded this place, including tales of ghostly apparitions, strange sounds, and the unsettling sensation of being watched. The comedians, trying to stay cheerful, joked their way into the tunnel's depths, their laughter echoing against the damp walls.
Sabi niya, ikaw na muna pumasok mauna. Sabi niya, ano ako, tanga? Ikaw muna mauna. Nagtutulakan sila, nag-aano ko siya mauna.
The damp walls.
Sabi niya, sige na, ikaw na. Nahiya ka pa eh. Forward natin ng konti, guys, kasi medyo mahaba yan. Puros chika to, yun ang chikahante. Medyo, ayan. Makakita sila dyan ng something. May something. Mahaba to, guys eh. Yung may-ari ng video kasi nito talagang sinulit yung ano eh. Kaya forward natin na konti. So guys, ito yung first reaction video ko. Ito yung unang video. Ano raw? Sila lang dalawa nagkakaintindihan eh. So lumabas sila, tuwan-tuwa sila kahit wala sila nakita. Wala sila napansin eh, pero bilisan mo bayot. Ang tagal. Nasaan yung aswang?
You. The comedians exchanged nervous glances, trying to convince themselves it was just a shadow or a trick of the light. But as they stepped closer, the figure seemed to change, growing taller, its form shifting ominously. Their laughter vanished, replaced by a sense of dread that chilled them to the bone.
Ano? Oh, putas. Sumigaw yung lalaki, oh. Grabe yung sigaw niya na kasi talagang sumigaw siya. Parang alam mo yung nakakita ng demonyo. Demonyo ata talaga nakita nito eh. Talagang sigaw marino.
They fled, haunted by the experience, unable to shake the memory of that looming shadow. This video captures their chilling encounter.
Ayun, ito pala nakita niya kaya puta, mapapasigaw ka talaga niyan.
Might be lurking in the darkness.
Ito ba naman makita mo eh? Halimaw.
The haunting of the dark forest. In this terrifying exploration.
Ito guys, top 3 na tayo. Pangatlong video na.
Exploration. The haunting of the dark forest. In this terrifying exploration, a ghost hunter ventures into a dense, foreboding forest, known by locals as a dwelling place for dark spirits. Armed only with a night vision camera, he trusts.
Puta, sino ba naman ang magtsatsagang pumunta dyan? Tingnan masukal na masukal. Buwan lang, sobrang dilim ng kapaligiran, tapos buwan lang yung liwanag. Hindi mo alam kung anong nilalang sa salubong sa dyan. Kung may masawal pa sa demonyo, baka mas matindi pa sa demonyo.
For a while, nothing happened, but then a horrifying face, twisted and shadowed, appeared directly in front of him.
Ano naman kayo?
Wala.
Ako. Umiiyak.
Malig ba siya? Wala. Wala.
Wala, ano to? Kala?
Bapre.
Patay daw, patay.
Wala. Rugi, salah.
Umuungol eh. Ayun puto. Ayun, halimaw nga. Anak na Papa Bird. Yan yung ano eh. Yun yung babati sa'yo sa surprise birthday. Yung ano. Surprise!
Mirroring his movements.
Tignan mo naman si Ate Haggard. Walang facial yung mukha. Magpabelo ka, girl.
The video captures his desperate escape and the sinister figure's relentless pursuit, leaving viewers with a lingering
ganyan kaya girlfriend mo, no? Halimaw.
Sense of dread.
Pangit
The
mo.
haunted factory encounter. On a dark night, Andre DMS ventured
So guys,
into a dilapidated,
top 3 na, top 3.
abandoned factory rumored to be haunted.
First video ko to guys, first video. Supportahan nyo sana ako.
His investigation,
Pakishare naman.
he moved through empty rooms,
First
each
video,
step echoing
sana
eerily.
maging maayos.
Strange whispers seemed to drift through the air,
Nak.
and the occasional clang of metal sent chills down his spine.
Ano yan?
But as he approached the center of the factory, his camera caught something that
Ayun.
made his blood run cold. A ghostly
Nakasilip
figure
yun.
standing silently,
May
shrouded
sumisilip,
in
gusto
darkness.
magpa-selfie. Perhatikan. Ano yung perhatikan na yan? Perhatik. Ano raw? Ayun, no? Puta, ang itim. Nako, naging dwe. Nako, naloko na. Naging keng ko yung boses.
He stumbled back in shock, barely able to hold the camera steady. Gathering his courage, he called out, challenging the spirit, and after a tense
Puta ba
moment,
naman, sino ba
it
naman
began
magcha-challenge sa
moving
spirit na
toward
yan?
him. Panic set in as he sprinted from the factory, his live stream capturing every heartbeat of terror. Later,
Puta na
he
yan.
would return to test his
Mag-isa lang siya
bravery,
dyan, no?
but what he encountered that night
Ano kang
remains
ginagawa
etched
ng
in his
aswang na yan dyan?
memory.
Mag-isa lang siya dyan, tas
The
boring,
footage
walang
of his panicked
cellphone.
escape is haunting
Wala
to
siyang
watch.
cellphone. Nakatayo lang siya magdamag dyan, yan siya, oh. Walang cellphone, walang Facebook, walang ano, lahat. Magdamag siya nakatayo dun, nakatikit na sa dingding. Ilang taon na kaya siya dyan? Go. Ano raw? Keng ko yung puta. Ayun, napatakbo si kuya.
The Qiangs lair in the Kolomadan jungle. This intense exploration follows the journey of a ghost
Mga
hunter,
ghost hunter
Job
yan sila eh.
Stewart, who decided to camp in a decaying house deep in the Kolomadan jungle.
Ba't kasi sa gubat pa kayo
The
magkakamping?
house was known to be haunted by a Qianga terrifying, floating head spirit from local folklore
So
that
guys,
is
first
said to
video
roam
ko
the
to,
jungle
first-
in search of blood.
First,
The hunter's goal
chan,
was clear.
first
He
ano,
wanted to encounter
reaction.
the spirit firsthand and
Ulit.
document its terrifying presence.
Ay, may sinasabi sila. Sabi niya, ba't ang dilim? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Ba't buksan mo yung ilaw? Tanga-tanga ka talaga.
Coba kan nggak, Bay?
Hmm.
Coba lihat di sebelah sana, Bay. Coba lihat.
Umuungol eh. Ayun, umuungol ang ulo.
Masih.
Maan to? Eh. Happy New Year, Mac.
Sini.
Rinig kaya yung ungol mo dito.
Ada.
Yung audio? Hindi. O, gumagana to. Nga to. Ayun, oh. Tawag sa amin yan sa Ilonggo Sintermo. Yung apoy na yan, nangahabol yan. Yan tawag dyan. Ayan yung mga namatay na mga tao. Tapos yung dugo nila, hindi nadasalan. Kumbaga yung mga nagmumulto. Sintermo. Nangahabol yan. Saint ano nga yan, King? Saint Elmo's Fire.
After setting up camp, the night started quietly. The jungle sounds almost soothing. But as the hours passed, strange sounds began creeping closer, breaking the silence with an otherworldly wail. While he tried to ignore it, his heart raced as he sensed something watching him from the darkness. And then, there it was, a flickering figure floating just behind his tent, its disembodied head swaying in the dim light.
Ano yun?
He grabbed his camera to capture the
pangit
sight,
na mukha,
but the
kulay-pulay mukha.
Qiaying
May ganun
vanished,
pala.
only to reappear, hovering above his tent. The video captures the hunter's mounting terror as he attempts to confront the spirit, knowing he's in its territory and at its mercy.
Okay. Hindi ko naintindihan.
Encounter
Ito
with the
matindi.
Red Kundilanak.
Number 4.
In this spine-chilling video,
Sigabong.
Alam and Kilo, paranormal investigators, return to a location rumored to be haunted by a Red Kundilanak, a ghostly apparition of a woman clad in red, known for her malevolent presence. The area was notorious for sightings, with locals avoiding it after sundown.
So yung nagugustuhan tingnan nakamaskara. Kaya sa nakamaskara para hindi siya makilala ng aswang. Ng multong inano niya. Ayan o.
As they began their search, a thick, eerie silence blanketed the surroundings.
Serem banget tempatnya. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Ayun.
Suddenly, a shadowy
Lady in
figure
red
appeared
oh.
before them.
Ayun. Lady in red. Halimaw.
Killer
Kung
reached
ano.
out, hoping to make contact, and gasped as he
Lede.
realized the figure was floating several
ka-meet up siya
inches
sa gubat.
above the ground, her feet swaying in the air.
Lam.
Puta na yan. Yan. Lam.
Dan ketika. Ini. Gerak.
The red Kundilanak's long, dark hair obscured her face, and just as Kilo was about to speak, she vanished into the mist.
Ano wali?
Both men were left shaken, haunted by
Naglaw.
the silent, floating figure. This video captures every chilling moment of their encounter, leaving no doubt that some spirits are better left undisturbed.
Puta, magchichill ka pa ba niyan sa... Ayan o. Tignan yung paa niya, hindi nagpaputs pa. Oh, yun. Nagpapalit kaya ng damit kung mga white, black, red. Hindi mo ba alam ang pinakamatinding lady ba? White lady, black lady, red lady at ang pinakamalupit sa lahat. Kumbaga yun yung mga talagang pinaka makapangyarihang kaetyusan. Tingnan mo yung paa oh. Tingnan mo. Ayun kamay, tsaka oh. Guys, tignan yung kamay. Ang dumi-dumi oh, puta. May ganyan nga ang kamay, ano kaya? Puta, pag yan pinapedicure mo yan kay ano, umuungol oh. Ang dumi ng paa oh. Ang puta na yan, nakalutang oh, yan oh. Ayan oh, nakalutang, ayan ah. Magtataka tayo sa mga nilalang yan. Bakit kaya nilang lumutang? Ba't ang tao hindi magawa? Ayan o, tingnan mo o. Dumi ng kuko. Anak ng tinapa. Kulay itim yung kuko mo, girl. Nakalutang siya.
the Kundilanak on the hilltop.
Puta, pag yung makasalubong mo, siguradong...
In this nerve-wracking video, Elle Adventure takes viewers along on a camping trip atop a remote hill.
Meron pa.
The location, miles from the nearest town,
Puta, kahit
was
sabihin mo yung
shrouded
location
in
yan, di na rin
silence
man ako
and
pupunta dyan
darkness as night fell. While trying to rest, strange noises started echoing through the truss. A woman's soft, eerie laughter drifted in the wind. With his heart pounding, he turned his camera
Tatai siya, oh.
towards the sound,
Ang
only to
tatai
see
muna
the
siya kasi nga paano siya
unmistakable
makakatain
figure
yan,
of a
may mambubuso sa kanyang...
in the distance.
Ayun, may nambubuso eh. Nakasilip oh. Batuin mo girl, boy. Ba't kayo mga aswang kinakain nila tao, no? Kumbaga doon sila, yung ano nila, yung food nila tao. Kumbaga parang minus gasto sila. Puta, walang ano yan, wala silang babayaran eh. Siyempre, libre lang yung tao. Kumbaga,
Frozen, he watched as she seemed to float between the trees, watching him with piercing eyes.
kakainin nila kaagad.
As he approached, she disappeared, leaving only an oppressive silence. The
Sa mga aswang di
haunting
uso pera.
experience was captured on video, and Elle Adventure's account of the encounter reveals just how terrifying it is to face such a spirit, alone in the wilderness.
Puta na yung gubat, ganyan ba naman kadilim? Siguradong imposibleng wala kang makikita dyan. Imposibleng wala kang makakasalubong dyan kahit tsaka yan. Ayun oh. Puta, kahit nga wala kang makasalubong sa isip mo pala pag ganyan kadilim. Ayan oh. Tapos may ano ka, kasama kang ano, halimaw. Ayun, nagtatago sa pusi, nakasilip si ate oh. Puta oh, halimaw oh. Ayun oh. Puta, kakakilabot naman yun. Anong klaseng nilalang yan? Ayan, pupunta kayo ng gubat, tapos magpipiknik kayo, tapos gabi matutuloy yan na nakasilip sa girl oh.
The
Yeah.
cursed burial ground. In a remote village, tales of a cursed
Ito si
burial
Kuya.
ground circulated,
Parang
with
Pilipino
whispers
eh.
that dark rituals had been
Kamukha
performed
ni ano,
there.
may kamukhang ano dito, vlogger si ano.
Intrigued, the team from Sepam Explore decided to investigate,
Dahil
guided by a
kamote ba
local
yan?
who had heard disturbing stories of people who visited and returned a broken bar changed. They approached the burial ground cautiously, their flashlight beams slicing through the fog that clung to the
Ginusto mo yan
trees.
boy. Ginusto
At
mo.
first, the sight was eerily calm. Then, out of nowhere, a sharp, putrid stench filled the air, so overpowering it felt almost tangible.
Kuya, sabi niya parang may naririnig ako pero hindi ako sigurado eh. Parang marites lang ata yan saka. Sige.
The investigator's camera flickered, its light dimming inexplicably, casting the area in an eerie half-light. They tried to press on, but the smell
May mga nyug din pala sa
intensified,
ibang bansa.
and shadows began to flicker at the edge of their vision. Suddenly, an apparition appeared, a faint, ghostly figure among the graves. Frozen, they could only watch as it hovered, seeming to guard the land it had claimed. This chilling video captures the eerie silence and the thick tension that hangs over the burial ground,
Ano yun?
making it
Yung
clear
kulay
why
blue?
the locals stay far
Parang
away.
ano, parang gasol. Yung ano ng gasol, tangke ng gasol, yung malaki. Yung kulay blue. Mga Muslim.
La
Mga
ilaha
kapatid
illallah.
natin mga Muslim, Indonesian. Ano yan? Parang may ginagawang masama yung aswang ah.
Bar!
Puta, umiyak si kuya.
La ilaha illallah.
Paano ka ng putang ina mo? Ay puta yun, hinabol siya. Oh. Puko ang tawag yan, pukong puto. Oh. Yun, nilamon si Kuya yun. Hinabol. Tingnan mo yung itsura ng ano, na parang hindi ka matatakot eh, parang matatawa ka sa itsura ng ano, parang si Pugak.
In this sequel to a previous exploration, a ghost hunter returns to a secluded location known for supernatural activity and dark rituals. His goal was
Ayun,
to
bumakamboy
confront
pa
the
si Kuya.
spirits rumored to dwell there, particularly the Pokonga spirit wrapped in
Kuko,
burial
yun, parang tanga
shrouds,
yung aswang
bound
na
to
yun, oh.
wander restlessly.
Meron siyang ribbon sa ulo.
As he ventured deeper, he noticed an ominous silence and felt a growing unease.
Ikaw ba naman puntahan mo yung ang aswang niya na nahimik eh.
Suddenly, out of the darkness, the Pokon appeared, its bound form hopping toward him with unnatural speed. Startled, he turned and ran, hearing the spirit close behind him.
Babalik pa si Kuya, walang kadala-dala.
Desperate to escape, he managed to find a way out, but the video captures the relentless chase, leaving viewers breathless as they watch the spirit pursue him into the night.
Kita mo yung nahanap mo. Hinihingal ka. Himal ka. Kuya naman.
La ilaha illallah.
Puta nakipag ano siya, nakapag ano yung tago.